We are pleased to show you the 2013 Enclave. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote keyless entry, daytime running lamps, front-wheel drive, traction control. Inside you'll find steering wheel controls, OnStar, cruise control, cloth seat trim, floor mats. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.